welcome back to the K Brothers. Today we are going to be building the Jello Play Jungle Edition set. Now let's get out the stuff that we need. Okay, we got all of our stuff. You need two bowls, 2 spoons, olive oil spray, and a measuring cup. Okay, now let's open up the box. Okay, let's open it and see what we got. So we got a Jello Play kit, like the Jello Play kit or whatever, to put all the Jello on. We got 3 of them. 3 of those. And then we got the Jello Play Eatable Brick Strawberry flavor and the Jello Play Edible Ocean Blueberry flavor. And so, okay, let's open it and see what we got. So we got a Jello Play kit, like the Jello Play kit or whatever, to put all the Jello on. We got 3 of them. 3 of those. And then we got the Jello Play Eatable Brick Strawberry flavor and the Jello Play Edible Ocean Blueberry flavor. Now that we have everything out, let's see what step 1 is. Spray them thoroughly with cooking spray. Okay, now let's read step 2. Prepare each package of gelatin mix in separate bowls by adding 2/3 cups boiling water to package 1 of gelatin mix. In each bowl, stir 2 minutes until completely dissolves. Do not add cold water. Now that we poured the gelatin packets into the bowls, I have my 2/3 cup of water, and I'm going to put it in the microwave to boil it, to make it really cold hot water. Okay guys, it actually took 2 minutes for it to become boiled water, but now I'm going to pour it into the gelatin with the gelatin that is in the bowls and stir it until it becomes dissolved. Okay guys, all the blue gelatin is dissolved, and now we're going to do the same thing but with the red. I'm going to pour the water in. Okay guys, now let's read step 3. Pour 1 bowl of the pour 1 bowl of the gallon into the molds each cavity is full. Repeat with the second bowl of gelatin and second mold. So I poured the blue one into a measuring cup to help me pour it in. So. Okay, we poured the blue gelatin mix into 1 mold. Now let's pour the red. Okay guys, we got our other gelatin mix into the mold. Now let's reset step 4. Stack the molds on top of one another, rotating the mold on top so that its Jello plate logo is opposite the logo on the bottom mold as shown below. So, just gotta pick this up. Picks this up and is on the top. The molds are stacked. Now let's read step 5. Place the empty top sheet on the top of the stack of molds with the empty calories facing up. Refrigerate for 3 hours. Okay guys, we have it in the refrigerator. I'll see you in 3 hours. Okay, it's been 3 hours and I'm gonna take the Jello things out of the refrigerator and see what they look like. So I gotta take them apart. Oh my goodness, so Jello. So much Jello. Big. So much Jello. I'm gonna have to take it off. Jello's cold. Okay, it's kind of sticking a little bit, so I'm going to try to get it out with a spoon. Okay, so I'll do that tray. And try to get these off. Get right under. Oh no. It's kind of falling. Guess it's gotta kind of. Okay. Got that one. Okay. Got that one. Okay, guys. As you can see, it says it's a build and eat kit, but I think it's just an eat kit because it doesn't come out that like solid. And when we got it out and all this, it was all like this and all messed up. So I think it's just an eat kit instead of a build kit. Okay, now I'm gonna do a taste test to which flavor's the best. I'm gonna get strawberry, but I gotta get the blueberry out. Strawberries are good. I'll try blueberry. Get a little brick. I can't tell which one's better. I'm supposed to review which one's better, but I can't tell. Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching my Jello Play Kit Jungle Edition review. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.